How to remove delay Streamlabs OBS. Hey everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can remove the delay that is happening on OBS on your stream while recording. So let's get started. Here I want you to go to the settings. So after opening your settings, here I want you to go to advanced, click on the advanced option, and there you can just scroll down a bit, and until you get a stream delay option. If this option is enabled, just make sure the option is enabled and change the duration to how much seconds you want. I'm going to keep it to 0 seconds and turn on this preserved cutoff option as well. After, you can see automatically reconnect option on the second. So make sure it is enabled as well, which will help you to reconnect if you have bad internet connection all of a sudden. Let's say I'm gonna keep it 2. And there is the option of maximum retries, like I'm gonna keep it as it is, 25. So that's it. That is basically how you need to set up your settings in case your streaming is being delayed. So tap on done and then it's done. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.